In the complex and precise world of PCB manufacturing, the inner circuit process is the cornerstone, supporting the electrical architecture of the entire circuit board. Now, follows the camera into the production site to find out. The first step is to cut the copper-clad sheet precisely to the right size, laying the foundation for the subsequent process. Then clean the surface of the copper foil with professional tools to ensure that it is clean, and then make it closely fit with the dry film. Next comes the image transfer, which is a key step in the entire process. The pre-designed Gerber file is opened in the device, accurately aligned with a copper-coated plate covered with dry film, and the dry film is exposed by ultraviolet light to promote photochemical reaction. The dry film in the exposed area reacts, and the unexposed can be dissolved by alkaline solution. During development, the unexposed dry film is washed away with sodium carbonate solution, and the circuit pattern appears initially. This is followed by an etching process, in which the developed board is immersed in an etching solution, like an acidic copper chloride solution, which eats away the parts of the copper foil that are not protected by the dry film, thus forming the desired line shape. Finally, the film is removed, using sodium hydroxide solution to remove the cured dry film so that the inner line is completed. The entire process of the equipment accuracy and process parameters of the control requirements are extremely strict. Each step must be accurate, interlinked. It is this series of rigorous processes to ensure the high-precision PCB inner line manufacturing for the stable operation of electronic equipment provides a solid foundation, so that our daily use of various electronic products can operate efficiently.